Hey guys, today I just saw these on my shorts when I was just scrolling through these shorts on YouTube. I saw these people opening up Pokemon cards, so I thought, give it a try, So, first, the Pokemon Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage. So, see what we got. Code card if you want it, code card, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what I got. Okay, can't tell what that is. Ooh, okay, looks cool, probably not. Uncommon, okay, let's go. Dang, I've already got that guy. Okay, uncommon, I think. No, common. Already got. Ooh, I haven't got this one. What is this one? Tutor. Oh, Jorlock. Okay, haven't got that one. Oh my gosh, yeah. Let's go. Oh. Let's go. Oh my gosh. I don't know if they're good or bad, but I'll take them. Where's my Pokemon card file? Yes, I've got a file to keep all my Pokemon cards. Okay. And no, I am not creepy or weird. I mean, I guess I am weird, but in a good way. Oh my gosh, yes. I've been trying so hard to get cool Pokemon. The flip. Oh, that's upside down. Next is Beedrill. Ooh, that's a rare. Let's go. I like rares. Rares are good. This is an uncommon. I thought it was a rare. All around me are familiar faces. Eevee, common, but has really cool evolutions. 8 evolutions actually. Ryulu. How do you pronounce that? Ryolu. How? I know he evolves, or she evolves into Lucario. Shootle. Okay. Next I have Opal. Anyway, the fairy type gym leader, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below, and this is an epic. Let's go. Okay, how do I even put these? Okay, there we go. Okay. So, there was only one, and again, code card if you want it. Now, second pack. This is Pokemon Sword and Shield Chillin' region. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh god, okay. Code card if you want it. This is a different one to last time, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's see what we get. Straight up the bat, a rare. I think, yeah, that's rare. Straight off the bat. Okay, I like that. Lidian. I actually had a Nintendo DS, 3DS, and I had Pokemon Sword and not Sword and Shield, Nintendo Pokemon Sun and Moon. I had Sun, my sister had Moon, and it was the best Pokemon game I've ever played, apart from Shield and Sword. Sword is amazing. And I had Solgaleo, and I remember that my second Pokemon, so my first one was Incineroar, my starter. My second one was actually Ladybug. Just a sec, I'm recording a video. Sure. Sure. Okay. And that was my second Pokemon, and I thought it was rare at that time because I was like dumb at Pokemon because I didn't know what was what at that point. But I knew Solgaleo was like a legendary. And then I remember when my Ladybug evolved into this Pokemon. Great times. Great times. I don't know why I shared that story, but great times. Ooh, Avery. Is that a Pokemon leader? Pokemon champion? Gym leader? Or is that the Pokemon? Is that the person from the Isle of Armor? I think it might be. Yeah. Anyway. Ooh, honey, come down for dinner. Imagine that parent just like, honey, come down for dinner. Do you mean my nickname or my real name? Both. Come down anyway, it's dinner time. Snowy form. Ooh, cast form, snowy form. Wow, let's go. Oh, that's a common. Still cool. Oh, I've already got that Pokemon. Sorry, guys. I've already got it. Dang, I'm gonna swap them out because this is. Here it is, Rockruff. This is the other Rockruff card I have. Which one do you think is cuter? This one, number 1, or number 2? Comment down below. Or if I don't know how to undisable comments, so I'll try. But yeah, which in your opinion do you think is cuter? Number 1 or number 2? Personally, number 2 is amazing. Okay, just swapping it out right now. Not looking at the other card because I don't want any spoilers, you know. Spoilers. I know. Safe and sound. Now, next Pokemon. Hey Tiana. I've seen this Pokemon before. I've seen it. But I haven't got it. Ooh. Sapeel. Ram. That is its only move, and it does 10 HP. Got 70 HP. Weaknesses, Steel. Okay. Let's go. I've got so many Pokemon cards. Galarian Slowpoke. Common. Okay, last Pokemon, what is it? It isn't even a Pokemon. Well guys, I guess that kind of wraps it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching. be sure, if you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. And like the video if you want to see more as well, and also subscribe and turn on those notification bells so you never miss out on another video. Thank you and goodbye. Juicy Smoothie out.